Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas, and it is September the 26th on a Tuesday. And man, saw a nice little green bar yesterday in the SPY, but once again, there's not a whole lot of support here. We still may be gravitating down toward this 200-day moving average. Who knows? It is end of month coming up this week. You might see some window dressing, some propping up of some stocks, so keep an eye on that. But nonetheless, a very tough market. And once again, don't feel like you have to do anything, but I still like to look for setups and look for stocks that may be showing relative strength. And there's actually a few of them out there. Let's start with this HLX. Okay, HLX, it is a oil and gas operations and is definitely holding up well, looking for a breakout above that 1150. But like I said yesterday, breakouts are really tough. You want to see this follow through and not come right back down into this range. Another one, seeing a lot of insurance companies holding up well. Take a look at this Aflac. It's definitely showing some relative strength above all its major moving averages. Maybe look for a 4-day high there in that Aflac. And CF, I think I mentioned this yesterday, is definitely showing some strength there. You're on a multi-month high there and on a close, so definitely one that is outperforming the overall market. Like to see that. CRNX, this one is, it could be explosive. You've had a huge move to the upside for a couple of days, been trading sloppily sideways. Look for a move above that, maybe 30, put you a little price alert, maybe a little below that to give you a head start. But nonetheless, that is a very, very powerful, explosive potential there. One more to take a look at, and let's look at VST. This has been on the list a lot, and let me see where I can find it here. There it is. And VST holding up very well. Maybe look for about 10-day high there in that one. All right, that's it for today. Keep it tight. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.